Here's a bed frame from Zunatu. The instructions say there are 7 steps to put together, but really it's only like 5 because some of the steps are just unfolding the frame. But either way, here's a walkthrough on how to put the whole thing together. Step 1 is just the baseboard and headboard. To put these together, it's super easy. There's just a couple screws you got to screw into each side. Now on to step 2, and this is very easy as well because most of the frame is already assembled. You just need to unfold it and screw it into those base and headboards to get the whole thing set up. Now to step 3, which is putting in those additional support beams. This was a few more screws than the other steps, but still it was very simple and quick to do. Now for the final step and easiest step is just getting the slats on the frame. They're already put together. You literally just have to lay them down and put them on your bed frame. So here's the final product with my new queen mattress on it. It took me less than an hour to put it together. I did it by myself. This bed frame is super sturdy. I rolled around on it a bit to see if there was any noise, and this thing is completely noiseless. Overall, this bed frame was exactly what I wanted, and I couldn't be happier.